Today's lesson is called Formatting Cells. It's lesson 4. So using your spreadsheet software, create a new spreadsheet, save it as SS Lesson 4. Key the text as shown in figure 4A. So you have to do all of this typing that's down here. So in A1, we need the word dinner menu. Then we're going to skip row 2 altogether. We're going to type table 1 in B3, table 1, table 2, table 3. Let's do that much. Dinner menu, skip a row, skip a cell, table 1, table 2, table 3. Once you have finished that, we're going down to appetizer, main course, side dish, and dessert. So we're going to go down this column because we're talking about all the things that they're going to order. So appetizer, main course, side dish, dessert. Let me double check to make sure I got that the way it should look. Okay, so table 1 wants a house salad, chicken tacos, rice, and a brownie. House salad, chicken tacos, rice, and a brownie. Double check it. Make sure I did it right. Perfect. Okay. Table 2 is going to have French onion soup for their appetizer, lemon salmon for their main course, broccoli, and ice cream. French onion soup, lemon salmon, broccoli, and ice cream. Last one, spinach dip, veggie burger, French fries, and an apple pie. Spinach dip, veggie burger, French fries, apple pie. Now look, this might look like you can't type in there, but you can. So don't worry about the letter P being in there. You can still do that. And now I forgot everything I was supposed to write. Spinach dip, veggie burger, French fries, and apple pie. As you're typing, fifth graders, ask yourself, do you think Mrs. Gao is going to care if I use capital letters or not? Guess what? I will. Perfect. Okay. So back up we go. We went all the way down. We typed, that was step 2. Now they want us to change our font of the text dinner menu to size 22. We're not changing the font. We're just changing the size. Dinner menu 22. Remember, if it's not in the list, I type it I press enter, and there we go. There's our dinner menu at a size 22. Change the font of the text, dinner menu, to Harrington. So still in here. We're going to change the font to Harrington. If I type the letter H, usually it goes. Huh. All right. So if we go ABC order all the way down here, Harrington. You know what? It isn't there. Well, we're going to have to figure out our own. Let's choose. I know what Harrington looks like. Isn't that interesting when they give us directions and we can't follow them? So let's do Indie flower. Okay. So we'll have to change that. Now they want me to bold that text. And all I have to do for that is just click on the B. So now my menu is bold. Change the fill color of cells B3 to D3 to yellow. B3, D3. Let's look how to do that. So B3 to D3, just those three cells, they want me to change the color to yellow. Any color yellow is fine. All right. That's the fill color. Change the text in A4 to A7 to italics. A4 to A7 is going to have italics. That's the I right up here in your menu. Okay. Notice that it just kind of gives your text a little bit of a slant. Bold the main courses in B5 to D5. So those main courses, B5. Now I'm going to hold down the key and get all the way across here. Hold down the mouse. They want me to bold those. Underline the desserts, B7 to D7, with an underline. B7, hold down the mouse, drag it across, underline those. We don't have an underline option here. We don't have an underline option. That surprises me. Okay, well, we can't underline them because there is no underline. That's interesting. I'm learning along with you. All right, so let's not worry about underlining. Let's add an outside border all around the menu items, A3 to D7 outside borders. A3 to D7, so I click and drag. And when I have the borders, I just want to click here, and I just want that outside border. Proofread your spreadsheet. Be sure to save all of your changes and look at, it should look like figure B4. So let's move all the way down. That was A4. This is B4. This is what this should look like. All right. Now, remember, we couldn't underline, and our font might be a little bit different. But other than that, that's how this should look in print preview. So again, I would like you to go to File and choose Print so that I can see it. But I don't actually want you to print it. Okay, I just want you to, raise your hand, show me so that I can see what it looks like, and it should look like that. So that is lesson 4.